Once in a class, the young students were complaining to the teacher, "Teacher, I can't do this. Teacher, I can't do that." So the teacher gave them an exercise. She said, "Take a piece of paper and start writing all the things you can't do." And then she also took a piece of paper and started writing down her "I can'ts." And then they collected this in a box, and then the teacher told them to come outside, and then a few students were asked to make a hole in the ground. And then they put this box there, and then they covered it up with soil. And then the teacher said, "Okay, let us all stand in a circle," and then made them join their hands. And then the teacher said these words. She said, "From today, I can't is dead, and it is survived by I can and I will." And then she took two pieces of sticks and made a cross, and then they put this cross there. So, and then they prayed for the soul of I can't to rest in peace. And then they all went to the class. And next time whenever any child would say, "Teacher, I can't," and then she would say, "Shh, you can't say I can't. Remember, I can't is dead. It is only survived by I can and I will." So she developed a habit in the children of saying I can and I will. So if you also adopt this practice of saying I can and I will, what will happen is the mind will light up and you will start getting ideas, you will start taking action, and then you will get results, and ultimately you succeed. But if we say I can't, then what happens? The mind shuts off. No ideas, no actions, no results, and no success. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.